If you're looking to buy a home in the next year, your decisions right now are going to make or break your deal, either saving you or gaining you thousands, and saving you or gaining you a lot of time. So in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down the exact step process for you to save as much money as possible and do it as efficiently as possible when you go to buy your home. But first, I am a realtor here in Irvine. So if you are looking to buy, rent, or sell, make sure you reach out to me. All my information will be in the description below, but I'll also put my number right here. That way you can easily give me a quick text or call. But now we'll get back into the video. Section 1, this is months 1 to 3. This is prep and planning. Number 1, start understanding your affordability. How much can you spend upfront? How much can you spend monthly? Also make sure you start saving as much money as possible. Also make sure you check your credit score, see what you can do to get it better. And if you want to go above and beyond, start talking to a lender now. Reason being is you're not going to need to get fully pre-approved and underwritten, but you can talk to them, see where you're at, and that way if you're not where you want to be, you know the exact steps that you need to take to get where you do want to go. Section 2, for months 4 to 6, you want to make sure that you start getting a strategy. So this is where you want to understand the market, maybe even start hopping into a couple different open houses, see what price can get a home. Also, this is where I would really recommend talking to an agent. Now, obviously, you should talk to an agent throughout the process, but this is where especially you want to talk to an agent so that you know what the process looks like, especially for your specific scenario if you're not in Irvine or anywhere in the Orange County area. That way you understand what you're getting into and you understand the entire process so you're not coming in blind when it's time to actually start acting upon your preparation. Section 3, this is months 7 to 9. This is where you're going to really want to lock in your finances. You want to have all of your money saved up. You want to make sure you have as low of a debt to income ratio as possible. And you're going to want to really start talking to a lender and see what you can get home-wise. That way, in the next section, you can start looking for homes that fit that price point. Section 4, this is months 10 to 11, and this is where you have active preparation. This is where you're getting pre-approved, you're starting to look at homes, and you're really getting a sense of the market and what your costs are going to be when you go to buy this home. Section 5, this is months 11 and 12. You're going to want to have roughly 2 to 3 months where you're actually looking at homes, submitting offers. Reason being is escrows normally take 20 to 30 days to close right now. So if you want to be in a home within a month, you need to be in escrow that same day. So you want to give yourself 2 to 3 months as you're looking. This is where you're going to be, again, submitting offers and making sure that you're actually fully prepared and ready to get into your home. And then once you get your offer accepted, you're going to go into escrow and you'll close on your home. So this is the very brief track of how to buy a home within 12 months. Now, if you want more of a detailed version for your specific scenario, all you have to do is reach out to me. Just shoot me a text and say game plan. We'll call it game plan year out. That way I know exactly what you're looking for, a game plan of a year out to buy a home. And we'll break down your specific scenario so that way you can get to buying a home in 12 months in the most efficient and cost-effective way possible. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe. I release videos every single Friday detailing the benefits of homeownership and how to buy a home. So if you enjoyed this, make sure you subscribe. But as always, thank you so much for tuning into this week's video. Can't wait to see you in the next one.